Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're searching for the ultimate everyday carry knife in 2026, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 best EDC knives of 2026, featuring everything from incredible budget-friendly options to premium American-made masterpieces. Now, let's dive into the countdown. Number 10, Civivai Vision FG. Starting our countdown at number 10 is the Civivai Vision FG, one of the most exciting everyday carry knives available in 2026. Designed by renowned knife designer Snex Tan and manufactured by Civivai, the Vision FG has quickly earned an outstanding reputation among knife enthusiasts for combining premium materials, innovative engineering, smooth action, and exceptional value into one impressive package. Civivai has consistently raised the standard for affordable premium knives over the past several years, and the Vision FG perfectly demonstrates why the company has become one of the most respected names in the EDC community. With its modern design, reliable locking mechanism, outstanding ergonomics, and excellent cutting performance, the Vision FG has become a favorite for everyday users who want premium features without paying premium prices. At the center of the Vision FG is its high-performance Nitro V stainless steel blade. Nitro V has become increasingly popular in the knife industry because it offers an excellent balance of toughness, corrosion resistance, edge retention, and ease of sharpening. For an everyday carry knife, these qualities are especially valuable because the blade maintains a sharp cutting edge through regular daily use, while remaining highly resistant to rust and staining. Whether you're opening shipping boxes, cutting cardboard, trimming cordage, slicing plastic packaging, preparing food, or handling routine household tasks, the Vision FG consistently delivers clean, effortless cuts. Number 9, Kershaw Bel Air. Taking the number 9 position is the Kershaw Bel Air, a modern, everyday carry knife that has quickly established itself as one of the best value premium EDC folders of 2026. Designed and manufactured in the United States by Kershaw, a company with decades of experience producing dependable cutting tools, the Bel Air represents a significant step forward in the brand's premium lineup. Combining high-end blade steel, lightweight construction, outstanding ergonomics, and one of the smoothest locking mechanisms in its class, the Bel Air has earned praise from knife enthusiasts, tradespeople, office professionals, outdoor adventurers, and collectors alike. It delivers the cutting performance and refinement typically associated with far more expensive knives, while remaining practical enough to become a true everyday companion. At the center of the Bel Air is its premium CPM MagnaCut stainless steel blade, one of the most advanced blade steels available today. MagnaCut has become widely respected for offering an exceptional balance of toughness, edge retention, wear resistance, and corrosion resistance. Unlike many premium steels that excel in only one category, MagnaCut provides outstanding overall performance, making it particularly well-suited for everyday carry applications. Whether you're opening shipping boxes, trimming rope, cutting cardboard, preparing food, slicing plastic packaging, or handling countless daily utility tasks, the blade maintains its sharp edge remarkably well while resisting rust even in humid or wet environments. Number 8, Vosteed Raccoon. Earning the number 8 position is the Vosteed Raccoon, an everyday carry knife that has rapidly become one of the most talked about folding knives in the EDC community. Designed by Vosteed, a company known for blending modern innovation with exceptional value, the Raccoon delivers premium features, excellent ergonomics, dependable performance, and impressive build quality at a price that appeals to both newcomers and experienced knife enthusiasts. Since its introduction, the Raccoon has built a reputation for being one of the most practical everyday carry knives available, offering a smooth operating mechanism, comfortable grip, reliable cutting performance, and durable construction that easily handles the demands of daily life. In 2026, the Vosteed Raccoon continues to stand out as one of the smartest EDC purchases for anyone looking for a dependable folding knife without entering the premium price range. At the heart of the Vosteed Raccoon is its 14C28N stainless steel blade, a steel that has become increasingly popular because of its excellent balance of toughness, corrosion resistance, edge retention, and ease of sharpening. For everyday carry users, this combination is particularly valuable because it allows the blade to stay sharp through regular use while remaining simple to maintain. Whether you're opening delivery boxes, cutting cardboard, trimming rope, slicing plastic packaging, preparing lunch, or handling household tasks, the blade consistently delivers clean, controlled cuts with minimal effort. Number 7. Spyderco Para 3. Securing the number 7 position is the Spyderco Para 3, a knife that has become one of the most recognizable and respected everyday carry folders in the world. Building on the legendary reputation of the larger paramilitary 2, the Para 3 offers the same outstanding cutting performance, premium materials, and dependable reliability in a more compact, pocket-friendly package. Manufactured in the United States, the Para 3 has earned the trust of everyday users, outdoor enthusiasts, first responders, tradespeople, and knife collectors thanks to its exceptional ergonomics, lightweight construction, and consistent real-world performance. Even in 2026, years after its original introduction, the Para 3 continues to be one of the benchmark EDC knives against which many new folding knives are compared. The heart of the Para 3 is its premium CPM S45VN stainless steel blade, a high-performance steel that delivers an excellent balance of edge retention, toughness, corrosion resistance, and ease of maintenance. Designed specifically for premium production knives, CPM S45VN provides long-lasting sharpness while resisting rust during everyday carry in a variety of climates. Whether you're opening shipping boxes, breaking down cardboard, cutting rope, trimming plastic packaging, preparing food, or handling countless daily utility tasks, the blade maintains outstanding cutting performance while requiring relatively little maintenance. Number 6. Hogue Deca. Taking the number 6 position is the Hogue Deca, a lightweight everyday carry knife that has become one of the standout performers in the premium EDC category. Manufactured in the United States by Hogue, a company well known for its precision machining and commitment to quality, the Deca combines modern materials, thoughtful engineering, and exceptional cutting performance into an incredibly practical package. Since its introduction, the Deca has earned widespread praise from knife enthusiasts, tradespeople, hikers, campers, and everyday users who appreciate its lightweight design, premium blade steel, smooth operation, and dependable reliability. In 2026, the Hogue Deca continues to prove that an outstanding everyday carry knife doesn't need to be bulky or heavy to deliver premium performance. The core of the Deca is its premium CPM MagnaCut stainless steel blade. MagnaCut has become one of the most highly regarded blade steels in the knife industry thanks to its remarkable combination of edge retention, toughness, corrosion resistance, and wear resistance. This advanced steel offers long-lasting sharpness while remaining highly resistant to rust, making it an ideal choice for a knife that may be carried every day in changing weather conditions. Whether you're opening packages, breaking down cardboard, trimming rope, cutting plastic straps, preparing lunch, or tackling routine household projects, the MagnaCut blade performs consistently with clean, efficient cuts and excellent durability. Number 5. Zero Tolerance 0545. Breaking into the top 5 is the Zero Tolerance 0545, a premium everyday carry knife that perfectly represents the brand's reputation for precision engineering, exceptional craftsmanship, and uncompromising quality. Manufactured in the United States by Zero Tolerance, the premium division of Kershaw, the Zero Tolerance 0545 was designed for users who want the cutting performance of a hard-use knife in an incredibly slim, lightweight, and refined everyday carry package. Every detail of this knife reflects careful engineering, from its premium blade steel and precision machining to its comfortable ergonomics and outstanding action. In 2026, the 0545 continues to be one of the most desirable premium EDC folders for knife enthusiasts who value lightweight performance without sacrificing durability. The heart of the Zero Tolerance 0545 is its premium CPM MagnaCut stainless steel blade. Widely regarded as one of the finest knife steels available today, MagnaCut delivers an outstanding combination of edge retention, toughness, corrosion resistance, and wear resistance. Unlike many premium steels that excel in only one category, MagnaCut offers excellent all-around performance, making it an ideal choice for everyday carry. Whether you're opening packages, cutting rope, slicing cardboard, trimming plastic, preparing food, or handling countless daily utility tasks. The blade remains exceptionally sharp while resisting rust and corrosion in virtually any environment. Number 4. Benchmade Bug-Out. Taking the number 4 position is the Benchmade Bug-Out, a knife that has become one of the most influential everyday carry folders of the modern era. Since its introduction, the Bug-Out has earned an outstanding reputation among hikers, campers, outdoor enthusiasts, office professionals, and everyday knife users for its remarkable combination of lightweight construction, premium materials, dependable performance, and exceptional comfort. Designed and manufactured in the United States by Benchmade, the Bug-Out continues to set the standard for what a modern EDC knife should be. Even in 2026, it remains one of the most recommended folding knives for users who want maximum cutting capability with minimal pocket weight. The heart of the Benchmade Bug-Out is its premium CPM S90V stainless steel blade on the latest premium models, while other variants continue to feature high-performance steels such as CPM S30V and CPM MagnaCut. The CPM S90V version stands out for its outstanding edge retention, exceptional wear resistance, and impressive corrosion resistance, making it one of the finest blade steels available for everyday carry. Whether you're opening delivery boxes, breaking down cardboard, trimming rope, preparing meals, cutting plastic packaging, or handling daily utility tasks, the blade remains incredibly sharp through extended use while resisting corrosion in demanding environments. Number 3. Giant Mouse ACE Riv. Claiming the number 3 position is the Giant Mouse ACE Riv, a premium everyday carry knife that combines elegant Scandinavian-inspired design with outstanding real-world performance. Created by Giant Mouse, a company founded by renowned knife designers Jesper Voxnes and Jens Anso, the ACE Riv reflects a philosophy of clean lines, practical functionality, and exceptional craftsmanship. Rather than relying on flashy styling or unnecessary features, the Riv focuses on delivering a refined cutting tool that exceptionally well in everyday situations. In 2026, it remains one of the most respected compact EDC knives for users who appreciate premium materials, thoughtful ergonomics, and precision engineering. The heart of the ACE Riv is its premium Baller M390 stainless steel blade, one of the most highly regarded steels in the knife industry. M390 is celebrated for its excellent edge retention, outstanding corrosion resistance, and impressive wear resistance, making it an ideal choice for an everyday carry knife that will see frequent use. Whether you're opening packages, breaking down cardboard, cutting rope, preparing food, trimming plastic, or handling countless daily utility tasks, the blade retains its razor-sharp edge while resisting rust and staining even in humid or wet environments. This outstanding balance of durability and low maintenance has made M390 a favorite among knife enthusiasts worldwide. Number 2. Demko AD 20.5. Taking the number 2 spot is the Demko AD 20.5, a folding knife that has earned an outstanding reputation for combining innovative engineering, exceptional durability, and everyday practicality. Designed by legendary knife maker Andrew Demko, the AD 20.5 brings many of the features that made his custom knives famous into a more accessible production model. Since its release, the knife has become a favorite among everyday carry enthusiasts, outdoor adventurers, tradespeople, and collectors who appreciate its smooth operation, premium construction, and dependable performance. In 2026, the Demko AD 20.5 remains one of the most highly recommended EDC knives thanks to its unique locking mechanism, versatile blade options, and outstanding real-world usability. The center of the AD 20.5 is its premium CPM 20CV stainless steel blade on the latest premium models, while other versions continue to feature high-quality steels such as AUS 10A. The CPM 20CV version delivers exceptional edge retention, outstanding corrosion resistance, and excellent wear resistance, making it an outstanding choice for everyday carry. Whether you're opening packages, breaking down cardboard, trimming rope, cutting plastic straps, preparing food, or tackling daily utility work, the blade maintains its sharpness through extended use while resisting rust in challenging environments. Number 1. Chris Reeve Small Sabenza 31. Claiming the #1 position on our list of the top 10 best EDC knives of 2026 is the legendary Chris Reeve Small Sabinza 31. For more than 3 decades, the Sabinza has been regarded as one of the finest production folding knives ever created, setting the benchmark for precision manufacturing, premium materials, exceptional reliability, and timeless design. Rather than following trends, the Sabinza has remained true to its philosophy of simplicity, durability, and flawless execution. Even in 2026, it remains one of the most sought-after everyday carry knives for those who appreciate uncompromising craftsmanship and long-term dependability. At the heart of the Small Sabinza 31 is its premium CPM MagnaCut stainless steel blade. MagnaCut has quickly become one of the most celebrated blade steels in the knife industry because it delivers an extraordinary balance of edge retention, toughness, corrosion resistance, and wear resistance. These characteristics make it exceptionally well suited for everyday carry, allowing the knife to remain razor-sharp through extended use while resisting corrosion in virtually any environment. Whether you're opening packages, cutting rope, breaking down cardboard, preparing food, trimming plastic, or completing daily utility tasks, the MagnaCut blade consistently provides smooth, precise cutting performance with outstanding durability. And that's our list of the top 10 best EDC knives of 2026. Which knife is your favorite, and which one would you carry every day? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos featuring the latest knives, outdoor gear, camping equipment, and everyday carry essentials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.